Hello everyone. Every generation has that one person who doesn't chase success but also lights path for others. And today among us we have one such person who is recognized as top 10 ambassador in Google, and he is also a founder and also a mentee. So let us introduce to you Mr. Jatin Singhal.
Hi everyone, this is Jatin, Bennett University's fourth year student. I am currently pursuing BTech. Apart from all these, I am among top 10 Google student ambassadors, and apart from this, I am founder of an organization named as Flames of Purpose. Okay, so since my second year, I was vice president of NSS, and from my third year, I founded Flames of Purpose, where we are now more than 300 volunteers. So, being a founder, I am the leader at that point. And talking about the decisions I have taken, at some point my decisions are a little harsh and very blunt. That's all.
Jatin Bhaiya's journey is nothing short of inspiring. From being a curious student to becoming a founder of Flames of Purpose and earning a spot among the top 10 Google ambassadors. His path has been driven by passion, consistency, and deep desire to create his own great path.
So, Bhaiya, take us to the back of the journey where it all started, and can we know where this all journey diverted from?
So talking about this journey, it's been a very happening and very wonderful journey till the date. We have been doing multiple events to promote Google and also to promote Google Gemini at our campus particularly. So that was all about the journey.
A true leader is never just known for their success. They are also known for how many people they have lifted along the way. And that is exactly what Jatin Bhaiya has done.
A leader's greatest achievement is not just an award or a title. It is a smile on a one person's face whose life they change forever.
So we asked Jatin Bhaiya, how do you help people and what keeps you going?
So being an founder of social entrepreneurship club, what we have taught many students at Bennett University who were either orphan or single parent child. We faced a lots of issues while teaching those children. We faced a lots of issues while asking those children to come to our campus, while asking our campus for the permissions. So but at the end I feel that I have a lifeline, and that's my mother. Also, I know she can't do anything here, but her motivation makes me do everything.
Then we asked Jatin Bhaiya, how did he accomplish all success in his life and what challenges did he face?
Obviously every time there are lots of challenges in our life. The challenge I am facing right now, being a fourth year student, I am trying to find my dream job in the sense that it's not only about money, but it's about what I love. Like, I don't want to sit in a shady room and do coding 9 to 5. So I hate that kind of job, but I want to be on ground and interact with people. So I'm finding those kind of jobs, and to find those kind of jobs, it's a little difficult for me. So that's the current challenge I am facing right now.
No great journey come without a storm. What defines a leader is not how he avoids the challenge, but how he overcomes it. So let's hear it from the leader, how he overcome all the challenges that he faces.
So to overcome these kind of challenges, I'm interacting with new people, I'm going to new places, I'm interacting with new communities where I can build and grow myself in a way I want to.
Then we asked Jatin Bhaiya about the perks from the Google. And what is it like when you go on trips and meet new people?
So talking about whenever we meet new communities, like I met Vivo community, the founder, the CEO of Vivo, CEO of Google, what we learn new is we get to know about the perspectives and the spectrum people are thinking of. We get to know about the things, how people think and how things can be thought. So that's the main thing I have learned.
We asked Jatin Bhaiya, what one piece of advice you would like to give to your junior?
So a single piece of advice would be go and explore each and everything. There is nothing in this world which goes for vain. So explore everything. You are gonna find some path or the another in those kind of, and in every kind of the thing, whatever you love.